Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is failure in life. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is failure in life? Failure is in life refers to not achieving desired goals, outcomes, or expectations. It's a situation where your efforts do not lead to the intended results. It can occur in various aspects of life, including personal, professional, academic, and interpersonal areas. Failure is a natural and inevitable part of life as everyone faces setbacks and challenges at some point. Failure can take different forms such as not getting a job you applied for, receiving a low grade on an exam, experiencing the end of a relationship, or facing a business venture that does, doesn't succeed. It's important to note that failure is not an indication of your inherent worth or value as a person. It's simply a part of the learning and growth process. Many successful individuals and innovators have experienced failures before achieving their goals. Failure can provide valuable lessons, resilience, and insights that contribute to personal development and future success. It's how you respond to failure that matters. Whether you choose to learn from it, adapt your strategies, and persevere, or whether you allow it to discourage you. Cultivating a healthy mindset towards failure involves understanding that it's a temporary setback rather than a permanent state. It's an opportunity for growth, self-discovery, and refining your approach. Embracing failure as a stepping stone towards eventual success can help you develop resilience, learn from your experiences, and continue moving forward in life. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is failure in life. I hope that our my presentation is very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.